Um, ugh, I need to get dressed so I can go to either the library or a coffee shop. I have homework to do. I need to study. I have two Korean classes this evening. So I'm just gotta get it together. My sleep schedule is so not good. So not good at all. But you know, it's okay. It's gonna be fine. I'm hoping that since the weather is not super great today, there won't be a ton of people at the coffee shop. Gosh, my grades are. I'm not gonna be upset about it. Growing old is a natural thing. Gray hair is natural. I'm still sad. What? It's fine. It's fine. Anyways, I'm hoping that there won't be a ton of people there since it is rainy today. So, another point. Okay. I've got 3 assignments. I do want to do some speaking practice. I've been trying to speak to myself in Korean more often. I somehow formed a habit of doing that at night. So like as I'm falling asleep, I'm thinking of my plans in Korean, but I need to do it during the day. Also, I need my brain to get with the program. Okay, so that's the plan for today. I'm making my life yoga. Okay, my life is finally together. Let me eat a little snack, let my dog out, and pack a bag. I really think I just need like my tablet. I think I just need my tablet. Yeah. My tablet and a charger because she hasn't been open all weekend. Hence why I need to go get my life together. I don't think I've told you guys, but I've been taking Korean classes for like 8 months, and I kind of wanted to do it like a school load just because I know me, and like if I don't have homework and if I don't have things like that, then I get distracted. So I'm kind of doing it like a school load. So I have Korean classes Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday. So like it'd be 5 days worth of classes, and I think all but 2 of those classes I end up with like homework assignments and things to do, and I feel like that really helps me, but obviously like find what helps you to stay motivated and to keep learning. On top of that, I use apps like Rosetta Stone. I've seen people saying that they chat with ChatGPT to practice their Korean, so I am going to try that probably today while I'm getting my life together. I do want to try that. Other apps that I use, let's see, Rosetta Stone. I found this app called AirLearn, and it's been fine. I just try not to power through an app because I can't do that. And Tuda, even though I feel like the mic is sometimes weird, like sometimes I'll do it on my phone and it'll be fine, and other times it cannot hear anything at all, so that's kind of annoying. But I do really like that app because it gives you conversations and phrases versus just words. So yeah, that's the game plan. Let's go.
Sometimes the wrong shake, slip in the picture, feel like a failure, a loser. But I got trophies in the bag, cause I stay lucky. Yeah, yeah, better bands, raise my hands.
Those are my two favorite songs right now. Oh, my third is playing now. However, I need to get out of the car. I'll save it for the drive back home. I'm gonna save it and savor that one. This weather is no good. But honestly, this weather is the exact reason that I cannot work from home today, because I would immediately be on the couch. I don't know what it is, but like some days, like depending on my mood, I just already know that like focusing will be a no-go. So that's when I escape to coffee shop. I had been like trying to find more coffee shops, but last no, not Sunday, on Friday I tried to go visit in the shop and it was so cute. Coffee was good, but it was packed. So I literally just went and got coffee and then drank it and went to another shop to actually study. So I think on Sundays I'm gonna stick to my usual haunt because I know I'll be able to find space. practice reading differently because I feel like my reading out loud isn't amazing. And I had to start thinking about this, but like out loud it's not great. So I want to practice that and remember versus flashcards. I really love the flashcards. But okay, I checked my answer before to see if I said that what I wanted to tonight or for dinner correct. Close. I was close. So she was Capello, but I said Kyoto. I keep doing that, adding present tense where it does need to be. So I wrote that down and I'm going to work on that. And I feel like that's another situation where I could have used Kyoto, but I used A just because I think I'm just more comfortable doing that. I'm used to doing that because I've been doing that since I learned A, which has been months now. So I need to get out of the Kyoto. So I can finally take, not finally, I have been improving, I know that. But, so I can keep improving, you know. Like what it means. Making something. So I'm gonna watch some videos. Like 2 hours. Shorty's not productive. They're very productive. It's just so much easier productive, not at home. Which is crazy because I literally have a whole home office, but I think my issue is that I put a TV in there and then that adjusts everything. Hold on. Let me watch the video. So I was like, and then let's get that shit short. So it's like another kimchi channel. So I need to get
And then in November 19th.
Oh, people always drive so crazy when it rains. Somebody just pulled out right in front of me without a care in the world. Without a care in the world. Lucky for them, I had a care in the world. So I was paying attention. Ugh, okay. So for my kimchi jjigae, let me see. I know I need kimchi jjigae pa wa green onions and what else? I guess beef stock. Also, shout out to Neighbor Dictionary. Let's see. Beef stock. Beef stock. Beef stock. Conglish again. It gets me every time. Beef stock. Beef stock. So, pawa beef stock wa. Zucchini. Beef stock wa. Zucchini. Hobak. I thought hobak was something else. Okay, so pa wa beef stock wa hobak good pirioheo or salcoeo. That's what I need, and that's what I will buy. Hobak. Zucchini. Zucchini or courgette. Courgette?
난 호박을 곁들인 램샤드로 하겠어요.
호박을?
올해의 호박 수확은 좋지 않았다.
Okay. I learned some new words today. 비프소크. 비프소크. 비프소크와 호박. 호박과 파를 쌀 거예요. Alright. I wanted to see if the rain would slow down. Dishwasher myself. It's not. See. What's this? That's melon real wallet. Unfortunately, I don't really have any pockets today. Which is upsetting. Oh, I picked the wrong jacket. I also have stuff I need to take back to Staples, but it's kind of out of the way right now. I really should have done it before I went to work on Saturday. But there's nothing I can do about that now, so I'm gonna keep it in the car and I'll plan for Monday, if I remember. I'm supposed to be working. Oof, I say supposed to be because my sleep schedule's jacked up. But I'm supposed to work in the morning. So, if that is the case, I can take it back. I can take it in the morning. Sorry.
Boys, I
Hey.
feel find it.
I got in and out. Proud of me. I do think some man thought it was a comedy. Because we parked next to each other. And he had his kid in his cart. He kept like speeding up, slowing down, speeding up, slowing down. So I couldn't even go around him if I wanted to. And then he looks back at me like, what are you doing? And I'm like, what are you doing? Hi. Trying to get to my car. Like if you were all up in the way, I would have already been there. I just taking twice as long because of you. And you're gonna make her see. I don't think so. Ugh, okay. I really need to get gas. But I'm just going to wait and let that be a problem for future me. Because present me right now does not want to do that. So I'm not going to. So we'll see how I feel about that tomorrow. But oh well. It's fine. Alright, next plan is I'm gonna get back home and start making my kimchi jjigae. I also want to make my Korean radish banchan. I'm gonna do that too. And I think I still have some ui banchan left. And if I don't, then I'm gonna have to make that too. I am sad because after I make this kimchi jjigae, I'm gonna be out of kimchi until I can go to my local Korean mart. But it's fine. I will survive. I think that every time I get a smaller container than what I think that I need. The first time I got like a super small one that lasted like 2 days. Next time I went back, I upgraded to the next size. That didn't last me that long either. I upgraded to the size up. And I'll show you guys the container when I get home. And that was not quite big enough either. It didn't last as long as I thought it was going to. But I think I was going to have to break down and get the big one. I think it's like, I feel like it's like $35 or $40. But I'm going to eat it. I eat it with almost every meal. Besides breakfast, like, obviously that's why I'm running through it so quickly. So I just need to take the L, which is not really an L. I just need to suck it up and get the biggest container and call it a day. 안녕하세요.
네, 안녕하세요. 숙제를 봅시다. 저녁, 기업. 재료를 사러 한국마트에 갔어요. 양념은 가창하고 고추장을 사고 식재료는 소고기와 돼지고기와 파와 소고기